Volume.
பொம்மை மாதிரி ஒரு மேனேஜர் எங்க போட்டு வச்சுட்டாப்பா. இப்படிதான் இப்படி வருது பூம்புமா அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றதுக்கெல்லாம். இன்னைக்குதான் கொஞ்சம் எடுத்து பேசியிருக்காரு. நானே பார்த்தேன் குரு. நோ புரினா architecture is doing their best அப்படின்னு for the first time. இல்ல பண்ணீங்க அல்ல அதுக்கு தான் நான் இது பண்ண போறேன். காட்டுங்க அப்படியே. எனக்கேனோ அந்த செட்டே சுமாரா இருக்கும்னு ஃபீல் ஆகுது. பிக்கப்பே சொல்லல.
Hey, sorry. Yes. Okay. How did it go, guys, with your let's see, wait. With your word problems? How did it go? Was it too hard?
I found 3 questions hard. I think it was like 21, 22, and 25.
That's absolutely fine.
This week because I had like a big class project, so I had to do that. So.
I'm sorry, Vian, you have to repeat. What was that?
Oh, I had like this big class project, so I had to work on that. So.
Oh, so you didn't do a V?
No, I wasn't able to get to it.
Okay, Sarvata, how was it, ma, for you?
They were okay.
Okay, they were okay. Okay. Saket, for you?
I couldn't finish it. I had like another project.
Oh,
Also,
okay,
the STAR test. I had to prepare for that.
Okay, Viraj and Vaibhav?
There's only one question that was really tricky for me.
For some reason, for me, like the document was the answer key. It had like the answer right next to it.
I had written in detail, right? What did I write? Did you read my instructions?
Yeah, but
maybe I missed down. Let me see, ma'am. I thought I wrote down what you need to do. See?
You told me what to do, but like,
no, let me show you. Maybe, see, we have a difference of looking at it. We have different perceptions. Let me show you. Check answer in line, shown in red numbers by the side of the question. Do not abuse the answer key and don't copy. That's what it means. Do not abuse the answers. Integrity is the key. That means, even if you see the answers, you are required to work through that, show the work, and then check your answer. Does it make sense, Viraj?
Yeah, I thought like, for some reason it was kind of like hard to me to not look at the answer, so.
Hey, it's okay. Even if you look at the answers, it's okay, right? Working out, seeing whether you get it is what is required. Okay. How about you, Arya? You know, in some colleges, right? Your tests that you take every day, right? It'll be given to you to take home. Every test at a particular college that I know of, right? They give it to you to take it home and do.
Wait, what colleges?
Like,
Huh?
the big ones, probably?
The big one, yeah. The big one.
Texas A&M? Hold up. I want to go to Texas A&M.
The big one. Huh?
Would Texas A&M count?
I've been
I
to
don't know.
Texas A&M a few times for some competitions,
The
actually.
I'm going to
Longhorns are so
Berkeley.
much better.
Yeah, I don't know. You have to check. See, when you go to
You said
the
I'm going to
Longhorns is
Berkeley.
better?
when you go check. What is it?
Nothing. Someone just said Longhorns are better.
True.
I don't know which. Sorry, guys. I want to participate in this. What is better?
It's a football team, college football.
No, A&M is better.
Now listen.
E all the way.
Longhorns, they go down.
Okay, let's go ahead. It'll extend to so many other things. Okay, now 20, 21, 22, Amma.
No, it was 21, 23, and 24.
This one, rectangle's length is 8 centimeter.
Yeah, I found like these questions really hard.
Wait, can I explain this one?
Sure, why not?
Someone do it.
Rihansh, how was it for you, Rihansh and Kabir?
I got the first 2 pages, and then after that, I completely started studying the star.
What, you completely started?
I completely started studying for star, but I finished like the first.
Oh, okay, you couldn't complete. Okay, Kabir and Arya, Arya is keeping
I
too quiet
couldn't
without saying
complete. I
anything.
couldn't
Huh?
complete the assignment.
I did like the first 3 pages. I mean, I found it difficult on these like 21, 22, and 23 too, but I got done with the first 3 pages and then I stopped because we had to start.
Wait, can I explain like one of those questions?
Yeah, please. Go ahead, Akshat. Let's start with 21. Let's go over the questions that you found it hard. Number 21. Let's go ahead with Akshat.
Okay, so what I did is that I wrote that L is equal to 8. This isn't my thing. I'm just like doing that. Width is equal to 8 times 3 times W plus 8. Can I go get my journal?
Yeah. No. Wait, Akshat. Why do you want to get your journal? Without that, you should be able to reproduce. If you don't know, all of us are here to help. What big deal? Go ahead.
Okay, so a rectangle's length is 8 centimeters more than
Yeah.
3.
Doesn't matter. Nobody can judge you just because you didn't know. It's okay. They'll have to help you. Go ahead. I'll help. Go ahead. A rectangle's length is 8 centimeter more than 3 times its width. What are the variables I'll define?
So what I did is that I did 2x.
1 minute. L is equal to length, W equal to width. You want X, huh?
I put like length is equal to x.
Okay, length equal to X. Width equal to?
Equal to 3x plus
3X plus?
8.
Oh my goodness.
No, isn't it x over 3 minus 8?
Width is X, right?
Wait, Miss Priya, I thought
I put it as like L is x.
I thought length was supposed to be 3x plus 8 and then width would be x. That's what I did.
1 second, ma. He is saying X will be, width is X, Akshat. Then only length can be equal to. Then only length can be equal to.
That's my bad.
8 more than 3 times width.
Okay, that's my bad. And then I did that, and then I did put them both in parentheses except for x. I did 2x plus
Wait, perimeter means what? 2 length and 2 width, right?
yeah.
So X plus 8 plus 3X plus 8 plus 3X, right? Will be equal to what?
Equals 128.
Yeah, now you can solve, right?
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
a simple problem. Not that.
Makes it easy?
Yeah.
10 minutes. How about the next one? Who wants to try with me? If you don't know, it's absolutely fine, but I want you to try. Viraj, why don't you try, Viraj? How will we define the variables, Viraj?
Okay. So the first you do like 186 equal to maybe like X, Y, and Z.
Okay, let's write it down. Whatever you're saying, let me write it down. What is that, ma?
X, Y, and Z.
X, Y, and Z.
But they have to be like even.
I don't know how to write that in equation.
That are going to be consecutive. So you don't need three variables, Viraj. Okay. Let's
That's
go ahead and
fair.
say it as
Oh,
x.
I got it. X and then x plus 2.
Let's work it out with Viraj. Viraj is trying, right? So
yeah.
yeah, go ahead.
X
Mm.
and then x plus 2.
Yeah,
and
you
then
got it. Then,
x plus 4.
yeah, you got it. So consecutive even integers. Consecutive odd integers as well, you can have it like that. Go ahead.
And then you do, 186 equals 186.
Yeah, what is equal to 186?
X plus x plus 2.
Plus x plus 4. How much is it? 3x plus 6, right?
Yeah.
Equals 186. Subtract 180 equal to 3x. X will be equal to 16. You got it already, see?
That's what I did.
Nice
Yeah, and
work.
then you just
I
plug
didn't
everything
remember.
back in.
Nice work. What other questions can we, guys, whatever you found it a little tricky as well, bring it up, guys. We will do it here. I'm saying we have time.
I was
I do 23.
on
I didn't
31.
find anything too hard.
I was confused on 31.
You're
I have questions on
That
23.
was kind of hard. 31. It was fine.
31. Okay, 31. We'll go to 31.
That was fine.
Okay, would somebody like to try it with me? 31. I will help.
I'll give it a shot. I mean,
Yeah, please go ahead.
okay. Yeah,
With the major options package and destination charge, a sports car costs this much. What is that? I don't even understand this. With the major options package and destination charge,
What does that even mean?
I don't know. Let's go ahead and read. Doesn't matter.
Exactly what
The base
Was
price
10
of the
times the price
car.
of the major auction. Okay.
Okay.
So,
So they have something called a major options package and there is a destination charge. Okay. A sports car costs 24,416. Arhan, are you here? Okay. Arhan?
wait, Miss Priya, I think I kind of am getting this question.
What, ma? Oh, you
I
kind
think
of
I kind
getting,
of
yeah.
like know how to get. I know how to solve this now.
Arihan, are you listening, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So the base price of the car, let me put it a base price. Okay, what is asked? Base price of the car. Let me put it as X. Base price equal to X. They're also saying base price of the car was 10 times the
Like
price
10M.
of major options package. Oh my God. The base price of the car
Priya,
was 10
So
times
X
the
equals
price of major
10M,
options package.
which also equals 50. Like I don't
And
know.
50
C.
times the destination charge. Can I have it like this?
Yeah.
So let me put what it is. Destination charge is D. Major options package is P. We don't want so many variables. Okay, that is for sure clear. Okay, I'm just putting it just to understand what are these.
So
Okay.
P plus D equals what? 24,416.
With the major options package and destination charge. A sports car cost.
wait, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What does the problem become? X minus P plus D. Well,
X minus
X minus P and D.
minus P. Why minus P?
You have to take off like the package and destination charge.
They're
Yeah, for the
saying
base
with
price.
Oh, okay, for the base price. Okay. But base price you have to. But you need to add, right? X plus major options package plus destination charge is 24,416, right?
Yeah, but you have to get the base price, which means you have to like.
Yeah, so you take X and then subtract P plus D from it.
Miss Priya, I have to go
I
do
have a
something. It'll be
question.
like
I
2
have a question.
seconds. Can I go
Mug.
real quick?
Go and come back. No
I have
problem.
a question.
Huh?
What sports car costs $24,000?
Okay, where are we now?
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
if you want to eliminate variables, couldn't you do like 1/10 x instead of
correct.
10p? Yeah.
Perfect. Yes, that's how you have to eliminate variables. So you have to put everything in terms of X. But wait, there are people who are saying they want to subtract. Somebody is saying I want to add. Let's see what is going on. With the major options package and destination charge. I
think if you should add it, right? Because you need one X and then you have to add the destination and the major options.
That
So
is my thought. So base price, major options package, destination charge with the major options package and destination charge.
it becomes 24,400.
That is what I am thinking. But why do you guys want to subtract? You can as well tell because I don't know what is
Wait,
major.
can I say?
Yeah, go ahead, Akshat.
Well, the major options package and the destination charge adds on extra money.
No, it doesn't add on extra money because the price told here, 24,416, is the total cost of the major options and the destination charge and the total cost. So if we're finding the original cost and then adding the major option and destination charge, then we'll get this total that they've given us.
But why would you add all?
Yeah, so we can get the total because they've given us the total. So we are trying to find what the original price of the car was.
Aren't we trying to find out like we can only use this like one variable, right? So
Yeah, see, that is there.
Yeah, I have an idea of that.
Go there. But let's first understand the context, Akshat. What do you think? With the major options package and destination charge, both of them included.
included.
Yeah, because with the major options package and destination charge, right?
Oh, my bad. I thought you said something else. My bad.
Wait,
Wait, I have an idea. Why could we do 24,416 minus x equals p plus d?
That is we can do, but that's the same as this, right?
wait, for P and D, can we put for P x over 10? Like
Good. That's what Kabir also suggested. D will be equal to x by 50. Now everything is in x, you see? X
So it will be like
plus
0.1
x by 10 plus x by 50. Oh, you want to convert to decimal? I'm not a fan of decimal because I don't know decimals that well. So I better convert to fractions. What do you
It's
think?
56 over 50.
Yeah, I like this. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Okay. So here it will be 5x, 55, 56x. Oh, 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. There's a hard stop for me. Let me quickly go. Let me quickly go and come back, okay? Just 1 second. I'll have my video.
Longhorns are better.
Absolutely not.
They're so much better than the Aggies.
But we have a better like everything though. Like let's be honest, we have a better everything.
Bro, we have a better school, we have a better football team, bro. Imagine
You guys
you lost. You always lose to us. We're so
okay. You guys think football team, but we're better every other way.
You guys know what a better college than both of these is? Harvard, MIT, and Stanford.
Wait,
Oh, I want to go to MIT. MIT is my dream
I
college.
wanted to go to MIT, but then I realized that it's really hard. So
why are we comparing football things if we're studying?
because the Buffalo Bills are better.
Okay, bro.
Why are we bringing this back?
Okay.
I don't care if they're
What
bad.
is even going on?
Real Madrid is the best
football.
Josh Allen is the goat. No.
Bro, Josh Allen, bro, didn't
overgrades, bro.
Buffalo Bills is the best.
Okay.
bro, Aaron Rodgers.
Okay, what is happening?
The Chiefs.
Hey, at least the Bills have an MVP. Unlike who? The Patriots.
forgetting this class is being
No, guys.
Sarvata, I'm prepared to listen to you. What is that?
We're talking about football.
Guys, trust the Buccaneers are the best.
Nah, the
Yeah, are you
city's the
done, guys?
best. bro.
Can we go ahead?
Chiefs are the best. I don't know what you guys are all talking about.
Okay, now, can we go ahead with the problem?
Real Madrid suck.
So what happened to this problem? What did you all get? Did you all get this?
I got 2.14 and then just gave up.
No, you'll have to proceed. You know, there are problems that are much, much harder than this. We'll have to sit and calculate, right? That's math, right? So let me go ahead and do
No,
this
because I
one.
already knew I probably got it wrong, so.
56. So let me do this for you. 25.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
after this, I also had one question.
Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah,
on
so did I.
Any question that you have, wait.
What was the very last question?
7s are 14, 6 are 12, 6, 1, 0, 4. Now again I need to do 7. I don't know. Really? 1 second, guys. I really want to show you this better way. Okay, let me bring up that problem. I'm going to do one by one. Okay, whatever questions you have, I'm going to solve in this because the set is very, very good, you know. Okay, let's go ahead with this. I'm going to copy this out.
You can just search with Google Lens, and
No, I don't want to go to Google. Why would I want to go to Google? Why can't we do?
Google's very trustworthy.
Right, totally.
Google is trustworthy, but it's
According
going
to
to
my
dump your
GT
brain as well.
According to my GT teacher, if you use Google in any PBAs, he will mark it on your academic transcript, and you'll never be able to become valedictorian or get into any good college.
Ah,
Oh
that's good.
yeah, my GT teacher does not do that.
I don't
She's
even
really
think
nice.
that's allowed to do that.
Miss Lunsford, she said.
Okay,
use
okay.
it.
This one's for good.
Let's come to the problem. Okay, with the major options package. So with the major options package, destination charge, base price 24,416. But we know.
Miss Priya, I got the problem. Like I did it and I got the right answer.
Nice, good job. Did you do the same thing?
Yeah,
Base
so
price was
basically what I
10
did
times.
was
10 times the price of the major options package.
so
Let
like
me put
P
this
is
down.
equal to X over 10.
That's what we had, right? D will
So
be
then
equal
D
to
is
X
equal
by
to X
50.
over 50.
Let me put that down here, please. X by 10.
Wait.
This one.
Never mind.
What is it? Yes, ma. You can continue, Aradhya.
I thought I'd
So
big brain situation.
Then you like add everything, you get 50.
1 minute, ma. Let me put step by
6x.
step, ma. 1 minute, ma.
Oh yeah, I got it too. It's like you have to
Nice.
a long way.
Yeah, so
Yes,
it's
it does take time.
56x over 50. And then I know I shouldn't have done this, but then I multiplied the whole thing by 50 and I got 56x equals 1,220,800.
No. I don't want you to do that, Aradhya, please.
And then I long divided
No, I
and got
don't want.
21,800.
No, I don't want you to make big numbers. That's why I'm saying put 56x will be times 50 on both sides. Don't multiply here. That is really a strategic way of doing. Multiply by 50. Don't do the multiplication. Okay. Now, before you divide by 56, right? Let me do one by one. Divide by 4 first. When you divide by 4, what happens? And divide by 4. Okay. 6, 1, 0, 4. So now what do you have? When you're just dividing by 4. So 14x will be equal to, please don't multiply still. You don't need calculators at this point. Okay. Can you divide it by 7? I don't know.
I don't think so.
Or 2 you can do. 2 you can do, right?
Yeah.
2. Let the 50 be there because multiplication is easy. Do the 2 on this. Okay. 3052. Now, is there a possibility to take away the 7? Divide by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 21. 6 7. See? 436 times 50. X will be equal to. So that is easy. Just multiply by 5 and add the 0, right?
8, 21.
21. See? You please don't multiply here, guys. These are strategic ways you can follow. Just cancel. Arya, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now other questions. Now I'm going to go back.
I had a question on the last question, number 20.
I had a question on question number 33.
I had a question on 23.
Please. Rather than telling like this, right? You know the class. You know how we go. So slowly, one by one, you say, which one should I do?
You can do VNs first.
No, we're right at 33, so you can just.
Okay, right at 33.
Yeah.
Let's see what does it say. I'll do it myself. The absolute value of, the absolute value of what? Sum of something minus 7 and twice a number, you see, is 23. Does it make sense? Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this.
Can I
Absolute value of minus 7. You want to explain? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So what I did is I wrote the absolute value of negative 7 plus 2x. Like x is the number that they're talking about, and it equals 23. And then I added 7 on both sides.
1 minute, ma. But this is absolute value, right? How do you remove the absolute value?
Here are two situations.
Yeah.
See, the entire thing can be a 23. That is possible because you're taking absolute value. Or you will get two equations now. It can as well be minus 23. So you have to solve both and get two answers. Make
So
sense?
Confuse me.
Yeah, I
yeah,
got 15 and negative 8.
for
Yeah,
for
same.
the first
Let her
one,
finish.
I added both. I added 7 on both sides, and then I got 2n equals 30, and then I got n equals 15. And for the second one, I subtracted 7 from both sides.
Added.
I mean, not subtract. I
Okay. Wait. Yeah, I'll go your way, ma. What you're saying is true. So this can be the entire thing can be plus of that or minus of that, right?
mhm.
Because both absolute values will evaluate to 23. Okay, so now that will be plus 7 minus 2x equal to 23. As Sarvata says, I'll subtract 7 on both sides. What happens? Minus 2x will be equal to 16, huh?
Yeah,
This will be minus 8.
Okay.
Did you
yeah,
get it,
that's
guys?
right.
Okay.
So like, how do you make like the two equations?
That's because, see, absolute value of minus 23 is also 23. Absolute value of 23 is also 23. So whatever you put inside, right? Whatever you put inside can be taken as it is, or it can be the negative of the entire thing. Does it make sense?
That makes sense.
Okay. Anything else? Any other question? You had so many questions. Please, one by one, rise up now.
Ian.
Yeah, I had a question on I think there's a last question
Uh-huh.
on the entire thing. But
What is that, ma?
it was the very last question.
Very last question. You have
I
to
didn't
tell me.
understand that too much. That was a bit tricky. No,
No.
it's more down here.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, it was difficult. Okay, good to know. But please take your time, guys. I will wait for you all to cope with the next week as well. Work on the set of problems. Okay, this will be so helpful as we move up.
Like halfway solving it, like I didn't like understand what to do next, so I just wrote ask in it.
Okay, no
Can I
problem.
explain this?
Absolutely. Let me bring it up there, ma. It's so bad here. Okay, let me stop sharing. The whiteboard is so much better to see. So clumsy if we do it here. Okay, hold on. This one maybe? Okay. You want to explain Sarvata on the board itself?
Yeah,
You do can
but
explain to us.
I can't write on the board.
Oh, you can't? Okay, that's okay. I'll write on the board for you.
So what I did is I had West High as W, and I did W minus 7 equals 2/3 W plus 7 minus 3, and then I simplified that to W minus 7 equals to 2/3 W.
Mama, let's do one by one, ma. What did you do for the variables?
For West High, I did W.
Score, huh?
Yeah,
Okay. West East is E, yeah?
I didn't do an East High
Okay, no
variable.
problem. Okay. At the
And
first
then
meet, East score was 2/3 West score. What did you do for that?
I did 2/3 West W.
2/3 West equal to East, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So East is East, West is West. Okay. At the second meet, East score. Oh, at the second meet, what happens? East
It
score was
increased
what?
by 7 points.
Let's see, East score. Let me put this is the first meet, right?
Mm-hmm.
First meet, these are their scores. Second meet, East score, what happened? East score increased by 7 points. West score, let me put as West score. That decreased by 7 points. Okay, now in the second meet, West score. Oh, in the second meet. Oh my goodness. In the second meet, okay. This is the scores. In the second meet, West score. The W minus 7 was 3 less than East score. Was 3 less than East score was E plus 7 minus 3. That is the equation you get. But this is two variables. We don't want two variables, right? Remember what is E and W? What is the relation between them? E will be equal to 2 by 3 W. I can just plug in instead of E. 2 by 3 W plus 4. Now add 7 to both. Add 7 to both, you get 11 on this side, and then W minus 2 by 3 W equal to 11. So that will be 1 by 3 W equal to 11, W equal to 33. However, we got the answer. This was very easy, but at the same time, what was difficult, I'll tell you. Where you'll make the mistake, I'll tell you very carefully. See, first meet east is east, west is west. It was very easy to say. But in the second meet, very often you know what you'll do. In the second meet, you will not realize that east score increased by 7. You'll forget this completely. Okay, and you'll start writing. See the equation: east score increased by 7. If you see, first you need to calculate what is east and west score in the second meet. At the second meet, east score increased by 7 points, means E plus 7 was the east score. West score was W minus 7. So the equation was for the score in the second meet. So the equation says in the second meet, west score. It's not W. They're not talking about W. They're talking about W minus 7, which is the west score in the second meet. So W minus 7 will be equal to E was 3 less than east score. Oh, east score is not E in the second meet. It was E plus 7. So from there you need to subtract 3. Viraj, did you get that?
Yeah. I just have to turn on my light.
No problem. Thank you for letting me know. Arihan, did you get that?
No, not exactly.
Okay, where did you not get?
Like the one where it says east score, west score, and then those equations.
Okay, let me help you from the first. Okay, the cross country team, okay, Seema, here the thing is, they are describing a scenario, an evolving scenario. My age after 7 years. See, if you take your age now, your age after 7 years is this. And if they say my age after 7 years.
Oh, hang on, I get it. So you define your variable?
Exactly. So,
Now I get it.
First meet, E is east score. Okay, W is west score. So what happened in the second meet? Let's write out the story in mathematics. Second meet, east score. I cannot write E, it is confusing. So east score will be equal to increased by 7 points. From here they increased by 7 points. West score. Let me write that first. Defining the variables is so important. What are they saying for the equation? In the second meet, west score. What was west score? In the second meet, west score was means equal to 3 less than east score. What was east score? E plus 7. They are talking only about the second meet scores. Aviram, did you get it? Aviram, did you get it? Aviram, did you get it?
Oh yes, I was on mute. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no. So here, you know the relationship between E and W. Now you can plug that in and convert to a single variable. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a complicated problem. Any other questions you had like that? You can check it up, guys, if you get it. Na? Can you check? All of you, you can redo, check it up, guys. Check up and let me know. If you didn't get it, we'll do again.
Oh yeah, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
There was only one more question that I had trouble with.
Okay, what is that?
Question.
Can I get water?
And
Yeah.
section B, question 15.
Section B, question 15. What does it start with?
May, I think May has an annual salary of something.
Yeah. Okay. I want each of you to try that, ma, this time.
Oh yeah,
I'll guide you through.
I was able to solve it, but like I didn't understand really.
Oh, wait, I wasn't able to solve it, but I don't completely understand.
Wow, that's a good question. May's salary starts at 16,000.
Can I explain this, Miss Priya?
Absolutely.
So this is what you have to do. So May's salary starts at 16,000, with annual raises of 1,500. It's starting at 1,900 and then it's 1,950. So this is 1,600 plus 1,500 x equals.
Wait. The biggest problem with the way you're taking it, Aviram, is you have not told what is x. You want to define your variables. Write it down.
X equals number of years.
Number of years or number of rises?
Years.
Years are okay.
So that's 19,300 plus 950 x. So first you can do minus 950 x minus just wait, okay. And then it's minus 1950 x.
I got it now.
And then 16,000.
So basically,
So 550 x
equal
equals
to
19,300. And then you subtract 16,000 from both sides.
You get?
And then you have 550.
Arihan, are you able to do Arihan? Arhan, what are you doing, Arhan?
Equals 3 and then you divide both of those by 550.
330 by 55.
Yes, that's basically it. So like you can just cancel these out. So that's 30 times that. That would be x equals 6 years.
Okay, now
Yeah.
to get a little more insight, right, guys? Let me finish this one. May received the same number of 16,000 plus how many ever 1,500 plus 1,500 plus 1,500. You go on adding 1,500 to this side. That side, Janet starts with 90,300 plus her addition of 950, 950, 950. The number of 950s and the number of 1,500 should be the same. So instead of writing repeated addition, I will write it down as 16,000 plus let x be the number of years or the number of rises. So that many 1,500s got added. Simple. Multiply 1,500 by x. This side 19,300 plus 950x, same number of rises. So they both should be equal. You can solve for the number of years or the number of rises. So after that many years or after that many rises, both their salaries will be equal. Yes, Kabir, go ahead. Sorry.
So like, I'm not exactly sure if Aviram's already used this method, but like, couldn't you just do like 1,500 minus 950 and then find the difference between these two salary and then do that divided by the number that you got minus?
That's what I did.
Yes.
That should work as well. So can you repeat that again, Kabir?
Yeah, so basically you do 1,500 minus 950. 950, which gives us 550.
Yeah.
And then we do 19,300 minus 16,000, which gives us that. And then we do 3,300 divided by 5,050, which gives us 6.
550. Yeah. That makes sense, Ma Kabir. So if you want to write equation, right, then you have to say the difference times x, right? How many installments you're splitting that difference. That will be equal to the difference between the two.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Makes sense? When you're writing equations, you have to add that, include that x, right? But the strategy is very much valid. Any other questions, guys? Did you have any other questions?
No.
Someone else had a question, but I don't know who it is.
Yeah, anything you can ask. Did you have any other? Okay, now that you solved this May salary, right? See, last week itself, I was about to bring this question. I just kept quiet. I didn't want to. Okay, so let me see this. Okay. Okay. So let's see. 1 second, guys. I really want to give you this. Okay. Okay. Now, 1 minute. One minute, guys. I'm going to get you a problem. Get you a problem that I want to ask you. So, since you solved this problem, right? Since we understood the concept behind equating May's salary and Janet's salary was valid with that X, right? I'm going to give you another. Okay. So, let me see. See, this is my question. You're going to work it out. I'm going to wait for you to understand, write equations, write variable. First, define your variables. Okay. The question is here. Oh, question is here. Okay, this is the question. A cable company offers two internet plans. I'll wait, guys. Each of you are going to think and do with equations. I want the equation and then answers for ABC. A is the equation. B is you're going to help me understand. C is if I take the internet service for 10 months, which company should I choose? I'll go with the cheaper one, okay? But guys, I want you to graph this as well. So plan A has a $40 setup fee and 60 per month. Plan B has a $100 setup fee and 45 per month.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
What are you working towards?
What am I working towards?
Like, are you asking us like how long, how many
She's
months?
asking us how many, what do you call it? How many months we have to be with each company for them both to have the same amount of money spent.
I don't get the
Correct,
B part.
correct. But that question is not in here. Exactly what Kabir said. I am waiting to understand. Hey, how many months will it take for them? Meaning, where I'll end up paying both the companies the same. You know, after that, what happens? Before that, one company's plan will be cheaper, the other company's plan will be costlier. But after that point, right, when both of them become equal, right, you see what happens. The company that was lower becomes higher. The company that was higher, cheaper, the company that was cheaper becomes higher. The company that was costlier becomes lower with time. So really, when you draw, this is like a line. A straight line can represent plan A straight line can represent plan B. When you think about it more in detail, that 60 per month is the slope of that line. 45 per month is the slope of the second line. The slope is steeper for plan A. The slope is less steep for plan B. So this is a very practical scenario where you use algebra.
Miss Priya.
Yes,
do
ma'am.
we put it in chat?
Yeah. I don't know the answer myself.
I don't really get the B part of the question.
B part of the question, I'll tell you.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
this is kind of off topic, but will we play For the Win today?
If you want to. If there are people who want to, definitely I am for it.
Yeah, I still kind of don't get it.
Okay, no problem, ma. See, okay, first
Wait,
right.
Miss Priya, can I have like 5 more minutes to finish solving?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm almost done with the problem.
I definitely believe in you, okay? Whoever is able to do it, no problem. But whoever is not, right? I don't want them to wait, but I'll give them my clues. You keep proceeding and I believe in you.
Okay. Thanks.
Aradhya. See, let's say, let me give you a clue. Let X be the number of months, okay? When they both will become equal. If that is the case, right? Let's say they both at some point both the money will be equal. That is the biggest clue. Yes, Viraj.
I just sent you my equations. I haven't finished.
Wow, nice, Viraj. You got it?
No, I just sent the equations. I'm still solving the actual problem.
What about me?
I'm checking Arhan. 1 minute. Wow. Arhan, proud of you. Arya, very good job, Arya. See what is the answer. Wow, very good job, Devansh.
Are we doing B with you?
Yeah, B we'll all discuss.
Okay.
Miss
Yeah.
Priya, did I get number A and C right?
1 minute, one checking one by one. Kabir, that's correct, but you did not answer C. Arya,
I'm
that is
answering them
perfectly
right now.
correct. Yeah, please do C.
Oh, sorry.
Good job, Vian. That's correct. Saket, that is correct, Saket. Very nicely done.
I just need help with question B. I don't understand how it's worded.
Viraj, yeah, see Viraj, your expressions are both correct. One is for plan A, one is for plan B,
No,
right?
I'm
But
just.
Viraj, remember, yeah, Viraj.
I just sent part A for now. That's then I'm doing with part B and C.
Perfect, ma. But then why do you want two variables? It's the same number of months for both.
Oh yeah.
You see, meaning they'll become equal at some point, right?
Yeah.
Because time runs for plan A, time runs for plan B. 1 month after 1 month means it's both 1 month after for both plan A and plan B, correct?
Yeah.
So you can have them as X itself.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, ma, one I'm checking. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, ma. Akshat correct. Arya correct. Arya. Arya, why would you choose? Arya, I didn't get your C answer. That doesn't seem right. Yes. Yes, Kabir, that's right. Aviram, that's correct.
Is my answer correct?
Aradhya, I'll help. Rihansh, yes, Rihansh. Vaibhav, yes, Vaibhav. Okay. Arya, let's see Arya. So here you're talking about X is the number of months, right? So you would be paying 60X here for that many months. You would be paying 45X. But the problem is, Plan A has a setup fee of 40 plus 60X. Plan B has it as 100 plus 45X.
Yeah.
The thing is, at some point they'll break even. Break even means both will be equal, right?
Yeah.
Now, what is that point? 15x equal to 60, x will be equal to 4. At the end of 4 months, you would have paid both the companies the same thing. So, this is plan A, this is plan B. Make sense?
I got the answer.
Yeah.
Now, let me draw the lines. Let me draw the coordinate lines for plan A and plan B. See, this is, let me finish. 40,
for number C, I
40.
accidentally chose like the greater one.
Yes, Arya. This is plan A, 40 plus 60x. So it started at 40, the starting point, and then it had a slope of 60. Okay. This one started at 100. Which one started at 100? This one, this plan B,
Yeah.
started at 100, but you know it is rising slowly with a slope of 45. 100 plus 45x. So you see what happened? This is the break-even point, x equal to 4, where both were equal. But after that, plan A is rising steeply. So initially you may think, okay, setup fee is 100. Let me for 10 months, I'll go with this plan. No, that's not cheaper when you think about it. Because in 10 months, what happens you see? In 10 months means somewhere here. Okay. What happens? See, A's cost is here, B's cost is here. Which is easy? Which is cheaper? B is so much cheaper after that. You got it? So that is the 4th month is the benchmark. After that, it reverses.
I just plugged in 10 months and I just
Yeah, you can just plug in 10 months and
yeah,
see.
but I accidentally chose the greater one. I don't know why.
Yeah, no, that's okay, Arya. But see, you understood at the end. That's what I want. This is 640. This one at the end of 10 months is 550. So, so much cheaper, right? You save $90. Pointed out by Kabir. Very good job. Can we move on? So, this is a practical application. This is how you'll get problems in algebra. Okay. Now, any other questions in that? Any other questions? Can I move on now? We didn't do anything, right? Yeah, I know. We didn't do anything. Let's see.
Could you do for the win?
Now, no, I really want to do something. Wait. Let me finish. We will do for the win, but not now. Wait.
Can we end class early?
What is it?
Can
You
we
want to end the class early today? Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
Want to really end early? I'll end early.
Honestly,
But
and excuses that we had stars, so like.
Yeah.
We can if you want to. Doesn't matter. One.
But I already knew up to 26.
See, there are so many weeks where you're all cooperative, so I don't mind at all. Okay, we'll end early, but wait, but maybe one more question and we'll end. Can we do that?
Yeah.
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 My star test was yesterday.
Yeah, me too.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Abba. Okay.
Oh, my star test is Tuesday, and I had my ELI star a week ago.
Can
The
you
ELA
do
star, the
Wait, do you guys do Battle of the Books?
I don't know what that is.
What?
essay prompt
What
was
is
so
that?
easy.
I won
Wait,
in
you
my.
won Battle?
Yeah, I
What?
won.
What is it?
How many points?
I mean, I read 44 books. I don't think we had points.
We don't do books. We can only read 5 books,
What's
and then
what's Battle of the Books?
I think you read a
so
lot of books.
so for us it's like we have 5 books to read. If we read all of them, we can like so we can like battle. So we have like teams. So we have like buzzers and stuff. So like whoever buzzes in. So it's like there's like givens where you get the
Oh, is it like trivia about like those books?
yeah, basically.
Oh, that's like a fun version of a book club.
Yeah, with like buzzers, like you have to click in first.
We like genuinely did nothing for the star test. They just said, "Okay, here's your star test."
Weren't them so boring? Like,
I have my star test, my math star Tuesday.
no one wants to be walking up 3
Okay,
floors.
are you all done with the problem? You're all talking
Almost,
and talking.
Yeah, I
almost,
finished.
almost.
I
Yeah, I'm
finished.
done.
I
Done.
finished.
Oh, okay, if you're all doing, I'm fine. Okay.
I finished.
Yeah, see,
Oh, shit, I didn't
without even knowing, we have done a good job on chapter 3, which is good. I feel good about it.
We already finished chapter 3.
No, we are very well into chapter 3 because of the problems that we did in the other book that I gave you, right?
That's insane.
So we are really good with not very good, but we are good on chapter 3. Without even knowing, we have covered chapter 3, which is good.
That's amazing.
Miss Priya, am I right?
I'll check.
I think I did this wrong. I have no why.
Aradhya, did you understand? You would use plan B. Did you understand that?
Yeah, I accidentally typed the wrong one in.
Absolutely no problem. As long as you understand, that's good. Hey, Sarvata, your equations are all right, but it was not 6:30 and 8:40, right, ma? Sarvata?
Wait, let me recheck.
Was my answer correct?
Everything is right, okay? Everything is right. ABC is right. But then you have finally said, because then I would have paid 6:30 in total and 8:40. That both the numbers are incorrect. Rihan's answer is different. Sarvata's answer is different. I really don't know which is the answer. Akshat correct. Rihan's correct. Sarvata, I think your answer is different. Arya correct. Arya, you're doing a good job, Arya. Aviram.
Thank you.
Incorrect, Aviram. You're in a hurry to go. I know.
Is my answer correct?
Aviram, that is not correct. Arihan, not really, ma.
Miss Priya,
Vaibhav, correct.
I realized what I did wrong on the first one. So I read C wrong. I thought it said 10 more months after the months.
Perfect. So you did 11 months, huh?
No, I did 14 months because X equals 4.
Okay. Vian, correct. Arihan, that's incorrect. Now, those of you who want to go, you can leave. You want to leave the class early, but those of you who want to stay for the win, you can stay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
I think I'm gonna join this for the win.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm
It's
for
all
the
left to
win.
you. No
I'll join for
pressure.
the win.
I'm keeping my winning streak.
Bye, Miss Priya. Have a good day.
I don't know how you win so much. It's so like.
This time I'm won.
Okay, let's see. Shall I start the game?
Wait, give me some chances, bro. I haven't won a single time.
Because I'm really good at like solving problems fast. That's the thing.
I finished my 7th grade math started like so less time. I don't even know why.
Bro, I finished my star test in 40 minutes. It was so easy.
The 7th grade math star wasn't that hard. It was pretty easy.
We had our SAS test this week.
Major what?
Oh, I forgot.
Oh,
Our
well,
semester.
we don't do the 7th grade term. Even though I'm in 6th grade, I'm in accelerated, so we jump straight to the 8th grade